Okay, it's 7 a.m. January 8th, Sunday, and I'm in Amsterdam. It's the famous canal, one of many of them. I'm going to do a little walking tour of the town today and go exploring. I've been here before, but there's always something new to discover in Amsterdam. So let's see what we can find. So I've just walked that park end to end. I thought it was going to be way shorter. It's like a mile or about 1.67 kilometers. I'm going to walk it all the way back now since the path I want to follow is on the other side. It's a really nice park. The sun's almost up. Well, that was a really fun walk. A lovely statue. I'm going to leave the park now and walk towards the Van Gogh Museum next. I think about 2 miles walked. This is great. That's some avocado toast, wow. Oh, I needed that. You know, there's just something special about a European cafe. Line up early if you want to go to the Van Gogh Museum. These are the other types of coffee shops you find in Amsterdam. Don't think I'll partake this time, but there you go. just a reminder, don't pee in the canal. A royal palace. There's the Amsterdam Central Rail Station. I've walked about 8 or 9 miles so far. I'm only halfway through my walking tour. I'm gonna pay for this later. You gotta have Dutch fries and lots of mayonnaise. That is the round trip. About, according to my pedometer, 15 miles walked, and I'm back in the park. All right, head back to the hotel, and I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Thank you for today.